Google My Business. Desktop view. Desktop view of Google My Business business profile search results page. Tabs. How conveniently Google uses tabs and use the 3 or 4-inch mobile phone real estate to present your business completely. Overview. Add your business storefront address accurately with business hours. There is an option to provide special hours like festival holidays and Independence Day, etc. Add your mobile numbers to receive messages directly from search. Category and About section. Select from category of your business or select nearest category. Describe your business products and services in up to 750 letters. Add your product name and services, which can be your keyword for search engines to find. Reviews. Reviews are important for every business. People are starting to view reviews of a business before making a purchase decision. Genuine reviews will bring your business listing in top of the search results. Maps and directions. Accurate business address and map marker on Google Maps gives clear directions to people who are interested in your business to visit your store easily, and your business listing will appear in Maps. Photos. Shop front photos will be displayed in Google My Business. Photos are fantastic opportunity in Google My Business to showcase your products or services in visual format. Add any quantity of your product photos, exterior, interior and team photos. These photos will be prominently appear in search results. Videos. Videos are the maximum SEO content format in search results.